Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana. Today we are working with some beautiful Easter eggs. We got some baby breasts. We also are working with some beautiful assortment of daisies. We also got this beautiful greenery. And we got some ribbon. We also got this beauty. This is 151-inch ribbon. And we got two 20-inch of this green. So let me put that to the side and move these to the side. And let's get this started. I just got my pinpoints already put up for my ribbon. This is a 18-inch wreath. No, yeah, it's an 18-inch. Okay, we're going to make some loops today, everybody. We're going to start down here. We are going to make a little 10-inch tail. And we are going to make some 10-inch loops. Wait, the first one are going to be 11-inch. I'm going to make some big old 11-inch ones. 11-inch loops. Put that one together. Get the other one. Put it together like this. And look at that, everybody. Got some loops. And we're going to get this beauty right here. Put it in. Insert the wiring and pop. Look at that. One of our beautiful loops going on. There we go. And we're just going to work our way over here. We're going to make one loop. We're just going to make one 10-inch loop now. Going to make a little gathering right there. 10-inch. Right. There's some going out. I think we're gonna. There we go. I have a little bit going out right there. Now, get that. And there we go. Come up here. A little bit go down. Yeah, we're gonna make 2 loops. Everybody. 1. These are 10 loops now, 10-inch loops. And 2. Bring this here. Put it in and what? Oh, that one's kind of bigger. There we go. And go down this way. A little out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we're going to make 1 loop. Then the next one, we are going to make 2 more loops. 1, 1, and 2. There we go. Uh-oh. 1 and 2. We got it, we got it. I tried to do the pinpoint for this, but the wreaths just don't come out the same, you know. I'm learning, everybody, okay? We are learning together. Okay, so this is the big one. And then they get smaller. How's that? Okay. There we go. Now, we're going to get our greenery. Let's get some beautiful greenery up in here. Let's insert some right here. There's a little wiring in there. Oh, Ouch, my leg. Some more in here. Oh, this feels good coming in here and do a wreath, you know. Oh yeah, I love making wreaths. There we go. Look at that. What this, what the greenery does with it, with the little bit of whiteness. Look at that, everybody. Beautiful. Just get that all the way around in your wreath. All around. There we go. Got one more here. Kind of bend it so you can see the beautiful florals. You're working with your florals or somebody, you could bend them around. Look at that. Let me fix that, you know. There, look at that, everybody. How beautiful. Put some greenery right here. Wow. Okay. Now I forgot. We're going to put our piece of ribbon on. This is just a 20-inch. So I'm just going to grab a piece like that. And we are going to grab half of it so I'll have a little tail. And we are going to put these lovelies. Let me see. I had one over here, huh? I was wondering when I was putting this greenery on. Something is missing. But we got it, everybody. Just grab a little piece of this wire. We got it. Look at that, everybody. Voila. We gotta wire our greenery back on. See, working with this wreath is just so flexible. You can just attach everything's on it with the wires. Just scoot it in so you don't have too much showing. You can cut it. You can bend it. Let's get this other one going. Let's get this right here. Ouch. And we got this one going here. So we are going to get this one. So we're going to go like, not crisscross, kind of diagonally, you know, so it'll look unique. Oh my, look at that. The springs sound a little different color in it, huh? See? Wow, look at that, everybody. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Woo! Okay, now we are going to get our daisies. And just put them around in here. Look at that, everybody. Here we got a purple one. Get this purple up here. Wow. We're going to get another one right in here. Ooh. And we're going to get this one right here. Look at that, everybody. How the daisies just bring it out, huh? Woo. Okay, and you know what? Get around my florals, and I thought I had some more. Thinking I'm gonna put a different color on there, or should I just stay with that? Or should I put a purple one here? Another purple one here? Yeah. I'm like, I remember I had a bundle of these. There. A little purple in there, huh? There. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna get our beautiful Easter eggs, which I just insert a caboodle stick. Bam. We're just gonna get these around in here. Oh my. On here. 4. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Spread them around in here. want to get a green one up in here. Oh my, that's yeah. Get this one here. We got purple with purple. We got yellow. I mean, we got pink with pink. Now we just got to cut. Oh, look at that, everybody. How is that? Should I put this one right here? I think I'll put it back out here, huh? Ooh. Tone this down a little right here. There we go. Puff these up. Ooh, how's that, everybody? What we made today? Tuck in some of the other things, items. Got a little tail puff upper. Ooh, I don't know about that. We gotta put that there. Fix this. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get some little baby breasts right here. Look at, let me get a bigger one in here. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ooh, look at this. How lovely, everybody. Ooh, beautiful. I think this is so pretty. Got some green in there. Look, everybody, what we made today. So beautiful. Got some beautiful the daisies. We got some beautiful greenery. Some beautiful Easter eggs. Wow, some just came out so beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave a comment, like, and share. And this one got to be scooted over like that a little bit, huh? Wow. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Like always, I enjoy being here with you guys. If you guys got any ideas or inspiration, or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. It's free and you will also be helping my channel grow. So with that said, once again, everybody, have a great day. And don't forget to get that beautiful, beautiful smile on. Until the next one, everybody. I get 2 videos out a week. So stay tuned for the next Easter wreath. And thanks for watching.